Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you make In-N-Out Burger spread. This is the secret sauce that In-N-Out Burger put on their burgers and on their animal fries. This spread is extremely easy to make and you probably have all of these ingredients already. To make the spread, you'll need half a cup of mayonnaise. And you will need 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Two tablespoons of finely grated onion. 1.5 tablespoons of dill pickled relish. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. You'll also need half a teaspoon of white vinegar. And half a teaspoon of yellow mustard. A 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And finally, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And there you have it guys, In-N-Out Burger spread. Wasn't that easy? Okay, something looks a bit amiss. Okay, let's get mixing. Aha! Now that looks much better. Okay guys, there you have it, In-N-Out Burger spread. So guys, if you're going to make an In-N-Out double or some animal fries, this is the spread for you. And speaking of animals, say hello to my little friend. If you want to see this spread in action, click on the link above, where I make a DIY In-N-Out double. If I can make an In-N-Out double at home, then you can too. Thanks for watching guys, I'm the Bento Buster and I'll see you next time. And as we say in New Zealand, kia kaha, stay strong.